Hello to all of my YouTube fans and family. I really appreciate you guys tuning in to George the Rescue. We got new episodes coming at the end of September, but I want to throw it back to an episode that we did as our finale for season 1.
Oh!
Wow.
Wow!
Oh my gosh.
I'm George Oliphant here in the Dallas-Fort Worth suburb of Euless, Texas to rescue Joel and Kitty Conway. We received a letter from their 32-year-old daughter, Jennifer, who suffers from a rare form of muscular dystrophy. Because of her illness, Jennifer is confined to a wheelchair and relies on her parents to help her with the daily tasks of life. Jennifer wrote in asking us to help her show her appreciation to her parents by renovating their outdated ranch house. She thought it'd be a great idea to surprise her deserving parents with a new living room and master bedroom, and I have to agree. So let's go meet the family.
My name is Jennifer, and I live with my parents, Joel and Kitty Conway, right down here in Euless, Texas. I have been struggling with a form of muscular dystrophy. Usually you get signals from your brain down to your legs to tell them to move, and to walk, and I don't have that. So they've just been taking care of me.
Here's your glasses.
We lived in this house for 30 years. We had 3 children. Our son Brad is a lawyer who lives up in Denton, our oldest daughter Kimberly, and our daughter Jennifer.
It was hard because the girls were in and out of the hospital a lot, especially the oldest one, Kimberly. They were both born with a congenital muscular dystrophy, and so neither one of them walked. Kimmy's lungs got bad, so, sorry, she passed away with her lungs just didn't function anymore. It was just the worst thing that can happen to a parent, sorry, is to lose a child. And although it's been 9 years now, it's still hard, as you can tell.
A lot of things that people take for granted I'm not able to do. If I'm cold, they have to adjust the heat for me. I can't turn on lights myself.
She's not able to get out in the backyard. The doorway is, we could lift her out there, but it's just hard for her to get around with her chair out in the backyard. So she pretty much stays in the house, or if we go out, it's out onto the driveway where her wheelchair works best. My parents have definitely been my strength through many of these problems I've been going through even. They've just been so supportive. When I've gotten so upset, they've come to me and talked to me about it, and they've given me a shoulder to cry on, and it just has really, they've just been so wonderful. And I just wanted to give my parents something back for what they had given me all these years. They've given me so much, and I just wanted to finally surprise them with something, and hopefully I've done that.
How are ya?
Hello.
Joel?
Yeah.
George Oliphant, nice to meet you. Are you Kitty? How's it going? I host a show called George the Rescue, and I got a letter from your wonderful daughter Jennifer telling us about everything you've done for her, and she wanted to return the favor. So I'm here to do over your bedroom, do over your living room, and just help you out with some home improvement.
I'm totally shocked.
Jennifer, what rooms were you thinking?
Well, I really wanted the living room done for them, because she's been mentioning for years how she always wanted a room makeover in here, and I just thought it was about time that she had a room for herself. And hopefully Dad will enjoy it.
Yeah, she doesn't like the paneling, so I guess we're gonna have to do something with the paneling. And
How do you feel about that, Joel?
well, I kind of miss it if it was gone completely.
Yeah, so you like having wood, a nice wood presence inside your living room. We'll find a happy medium.
Okay.
So this is the master bed, huh?
Yes.
It's clean, it's nice, but maybe a little bit out of date.
Yes.
We can help. I know that you guys have obviously gone through a lot, and home improvement continues to get put on the back burner, and that's my specialty, so I'm here to help. Obviously, I don't want you guys around while we're doing all of the construction, So we're gonna send you to a hotel for the next couple of weeks so that you're not inconvenienced by us, you know, doing all of the transformations that are gonna take place. Hope that's all right with you.
Well, we were shocked. She always has a hard time keeping a secret from anyone, so we were surprised when she had fooled both of us. So, but to see George, I realized that, boy, we're in for something big here.
All right, guys, welcome to the Conway's house. I got my contractor extraordinaire, Shane Golden, and designer, Tracy Love from Venetian Homes. Guys, thanks for being here.
Glad to be here.
What are you thinking?
I think we got to start in this room.
Right.
I mean, this is the family room, and this is where they're gathering, they're spending time. And the room's outdated.
Very.
The house looks like it was built many years ago, and it doesn't look like there's been much renovation since then.
I don't think any.
We definitely need to tear down some of the paneling in here and make this room a little bit lighter and brighter than it is right now.
Maybe even like you replace some of this carpet.
The fact that she's in a wheelchair, it's probably a really good idea to get rid of the carpet. Anytime that you can get a continuous solid surface, it's probably going to be a little bit better for her.
Right.
And you know, even though she did write in, there are some things that we probably could do to help her out a little bit too. I didn't take a chance to walk outside and notice that the back patio is not very big and this door is not very conducive for somebody in a wheelchair to get out of.
Actually, a little story, she's actually only been out back one time. Her dad took her out there for her 30th birthday, but it is totally not conducive to her getting out there. I would love to do something for her.
I think we can change that. We have a window here that we actually can take that window out and we'll turn that into a French door. That'll allow her to be able to get outside anytime she wants.
So obviously we're gonna totally redo this room.
Yes.
You guys wanna check out the master bedroom?
Let's go.
Yeah.
Cool.
There's lots of things that we can do. Looking around, I see a lot of big furniture.
Mm-hmm.
So maybe we could incorporate some of that storage in the closet. Maybe.
You think? We think we could do something with these closets?
so.
Wanna take a look?
Yeah, maybe we could make it all one closet and incorporate storage for both Joel and Kitty and
Because-
inside.
All right, I tell you what I want to do. We got to get rid of the carpet. Let's bring some trim in here.
All right, so what's our next step?
Next step is we've got some volunteers from the Greater Fort Worth Builders Association. They're heading out this way now to help us unload the house and start the demo work.
Well, let's get them in here and let's get this place cleared out and let's do this.
Let's go.
Do it.
Sounds good.
Now, hey, friend, if you're gonna be filming, before you ever put the camera on me, you let me know so I can suck in. I don't want anybody to stand my gut. We don't want to look too prosperous.
Okay, that's going to be a two-hand job. I'll be back for that.
So we got people all over the place. It's great. Everyone's helping out, trying to get all the furniture into the pod or into the garage.
But we can...
Ready?
All right. We'll get this thing. This thing must weigh 600 pounds. I'm glad I had my Wheaties this morning.
Now, wood paneling may have been popular in the 70s and 80s, but not anymore. This stuff, it's got to go. You ready to take these doors down? Get rid of this closet?
Sorry.
I don't know about you, but I'm about ready to turn this window into a door. All right, Shane, got dirty, broke a sweat, demo. I'd say it's done.
The demo is done. Let the fun begin.
Seriously, let's start making this place beautiful.
Well, you know, it's time to bring in the color. It's time to bring in the design.
Right, so where do we start?
I tell you what, we're going to start on the floors.
Okay.
And then we're going to start working with the trim and then paint, and then we'll final this thing up and get the furniture moved.
All right, from the ground up. I like the way you're
From the
thinking.
ground up. That's right.
Let's do it.
Yes, sir.
All right, this is it. Any second now, the Conways are gonna pull into this driveway. We're gonna take them into their home, and we're gonna see what they think of our rescue.
Being in our industry, I've always wanted to be able to do something like this. When you get the phone call and you have the opportunity just to be able to come in and change somebody's life, you have to take that. I mean, they could have painted their house, they could have redone some floors, they could have done some of the stuff that we did. But I mean, to see somebody who has had the struggles that Jennifer's had, you know, losing her sister and being confined to a wheelchair, and dealing with some of the issues that she's had to deal with, but the fact that she has such an upbeat attitude and a great spirit about things, and she's just really so happy and pleasant to be around, it really puts things in perspective.
Oh my gosh, I'm so nervous.
Welcome home, Kitty and Joel and Jennifer.
Oh my gosh, I'm so excited.
You excited?
Yes.
Good.
I can't wait. This is great.
Hey, Jennifer.
Hey there.
You excited?
I am so excited.
One of the coolest things about the rescue is that you get to meet so many wonderful people in all the different trades. Once they come through that house and they start working with you, it's infectious. Everyone just wants to do more. They want to take it to the next level. People like helping other people, and it feels good, and it's a team working together to do something great for those who can't do it themselves. You ready?
Yes.
Let's
Ready.
do
You
it.
ready?
I am.
Are you ready?
We're ready.
You ready?
Ready.
Shall we go
ready.
inside?
Yes,
Yes.
absolutely.
Okay.
Yes.
Follow me.
Okay.
Oh,
Wow.
wow.
Oh my gosh.
Look at
Oh
that.
my gosh.
Oh, look at the closet.
Look at the closet. My goodness.
Oh,
Look
wow.
at that.
We turned it from a his and hers into a theirs.
Is this our chandelier?
That's our
from the-
chandelier.
Oh, wow.
This is
Neat.
beautiful.
Oh, it's
Great.
gorgeous.
And this is really just the tip of the iceberg.
Well, this
Oh,
is
wow.
great. Oh my God.
Man.
You guys want to see more, or you guys
Yeah.
want to keep taking this
Let's,
in?
Yeah, we're ready to see
go.
more.
We want to see.
I think so. I think I can handle it.
And roll on into the living room.
Oh my gosh.
Wow.
Oh
Look
my
at that.
goodness. I love the fireplace.
Fireplace.
I love the fireplace.
What do you think about that TV there,
Boy,
Joel? Is that good? Is that all right that we moved the other TV into your bedroom?
That is
No,
awesome.
Look at there.
I'll put speakers up in the ceiling.
Good eye. Yeah, we have surround sound, all the
Wow.
speakers in the ceiling. We got anything and everything you
Wow.
guys need. We got you a tablet. I know that mom and dad already have one. And with this, you can actually control the thermostat, the TV, and the alarm system.
Oh my
My
gosh.
gosh.
You are totally automated.
Oh,
Oh, that's
gosh,
wonderful.
That's so wonderful.
That is wonderful for her. If I could pick out things to go in the house and the way it would look, this is the way it would look if I knew how to do that. But now there's one big closet. Now I love it. It's great. It's organized in there. And he can have half or a little less.
And Jennifer, I know that you didn't used to be able to fit through that door that easily. So we made this one extra big so you can spend as much time outdoors as you want.
Oh wow.
That'll be great.
What do you say we make our way out there right now?
Absolutely.
All right,
Let's go.
let's go outside.
Oh my gosh.
Wow.
Oh my gosh. Oh
goodness.
wow. Oh my gosh.
All the people that helped us do this rescue wanted to come and say thank you as well. So let's bring them out.
Thank you all so much. Thank you all so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you, everybody. Thank you. I couldn't believe how many people worked on our house. And it's amazing how people pull together to do something like this for somebody, and we just appreciate it so much. They just can't imagine how much we appreciate it.
Yeah, it really shows you how many people out there are really caring and want to help a fellow neighbor in Texan. And it was just so nice of them to want to donate their time to this project. And I was just really touched by that. I really appreciate it from them.
This is a wonderful moment when a community comes together to help you guys or help anybody. You know, hopefully it's infectious and people across the country will continue to rescue people even if they're not on TV.
Well, that's great. Oh, thank you.
Thank you so much.
I'm gonna cry now. Don't cry. Okay.
It's tears of joy.
Yes,
it
absolutely,
is.
absolutely. Oh my gosh,
Amazing.
this is great.
Success. Thank you so much for watching that video. Please give it a thumbs up if you liked it and subscribe to our channel so you never miss a video.